Hi. What do you think of this rain? You gonna come in? Oh, hello. Hello. Okay, hold on. Look at that tail, nice and fluffy. Go bury it, you silly squirrel. He's burying his cigar. Pack it in there. There you go. Got it just right. Just right so we can come back. He's too quick for me today. Let's pack it in back there. Yeah. It's nice rain today. Needed it so bad. Hear Blue talking. You know I love that voice. Chirp or whatever it is. There's Baby Blue, I can tell again. He's got a whiter face. White on his face. See, he's still up there in the tree. There's cardinals, all kinds of things here. Birds, I should say. Here he comes. Here he comes. Come on up. Come on up here. Oh, lots of them. Get two. There you go. Hold on to those two. He's hilarious. He's always getting two. I love it. It's just like the Jays. Except they got gullets to put him in. He doesn't. That's Baby Blue. As I was saying, his face is whiter, color white, than the rest. It's hard to tell Jays apart. It's a white-throated sparrow. Unfortunately, he doesn't eat peanuts. He's hoping I put suet out. It's a winter bird. Female cardinal. Beautiful. They also love peanuts. What's he doing? Oh my God, I found him again. Bury that nut, you nutcase. He makes my day. And look who's right behind him getting that peanut. Blue. Or Baby Blue, one of them. That's what happens. They follow the squirrels. Ciao for now. Oh, wait a minute. Somebody's coming up. It's Piggy again, getting two. That's his name. He just got named. Piggy. That's Piggy. Piggy. Peace.